guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do another spring inspired kind of look. I've been really into a lot of these glitter liner things, and I love how they just add something extra to like a basic, you know, look. So this is the look that I did. I did do it with the Juvia's the Masquerade Mini. I have been on like a Juvia's kick. Every time I go to do my makeup, it's Juvia's that I'm reaching for. This is the palette, and I used BURKINA on my crease. I used CAIRO on the inner crease. I use this BORI color here on the lid, and then I added some of this Makita purple on the bottom and on the edges, and then I added a little bit of Giza, which is this color here. It's a beautiful it could be used as highlight. It's that beautiful, just on the inner corners, and then a little bit on my brow bone. LASplash, and this is just in the color Love. It's one of their liners. I put a little bit like a half moon on my lids, and I love how it looks. I think it looks so springy, so bright, so like, yes, spring and summer is here. So yeah, I'm so excited, and I'm so happy that we hit 700. So my next video is going to be my giveaway, what's going to be in it, all that stuff. But I am so excited that we hit the 700 mark, and I can't wait for 800 and 900 and 1,000. I've already got everything, you know, I'm putting stuff away for the giveaway. So I want to film that next, but I wanted to just tell you guys thank you so much for all your love and support, subscribing to my channel, sticking around. If you're new here, please, I would love for you to join the family. Hit the little bell so you're notified when that giveaway video goes up. And if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So this is the final look, and I love how it looks. It looks so bright. I love the little glitter. It isn't like too much, it's just in the inner corner, and even though my eyes are hooded, I think they still look so nice. So let me know what you think. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget, I have another video coming up, which will be my giveaway, because we hit 700. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.